Dow Jones and Nasdaq showed a further uprise. It has continued. Both have continued the little bullish momentum where US100 had retraced a little, but it has failed to break past 15,980 levels, the resistance levels on the upside, and US30 has breached past 36,000 levels. In fact, it has seen going close to 36,040 before reversing. So now what to expect from Nasdaq and Dow Jones, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel so that you can get the notifications. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed by Dow Jones. Watch till the end, and please, before leaving the video, do like, share and comment as well. Let's start. First, we look into our now see Tech 100 movement. You can see the drop, retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now see bearishness is increasing here. Lower highs are getting created, lower lows are getting created. Where are the lows for this channel? It is far below at 15,750 and 15,800 levels. Yes, 15,750 is the next milestone if it continues to drop from the current levels. Now, what is happening right now? It is trading within the box. It has to come out of this box. Now, where are the support levels? I will recommend you to sell here at 15,880 zone because 15,880, 920 is the support zone. Below 15,880, 840 is the major support which it needs to break past by. Once Tech 100 stays below 15,840, you can say that the bears will take over and a major drop can be expected. Now see, stochastic has dropped here. MACD has retraced. See, after this sharp drop, it has retraced. It is again looking forward to converge crossover, which can lead to further fall. RSI looking downwards, coming to 2. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see, I will wait for it to come out of this zone, specifically only below 15,840. Further bearishness is there. Also, right now we can again initiate a sell entry. Once you see it staying below 15,880, you can expect 15,848.50 as the first target, and below 15,840 is where the bears will take over. Similar observation what we saw on the hourly charts. The stochastic looking down. See, MACD was trading with extreme bearishness. It has converged a bit, but it has not crossed over. It can continue further down. See, when it was bullish, it is scaled to these highs. When it is bearish, it can scale further lows. RSI looking down, coming to 3 hours. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, on the upside, it failed to stay above 15,960, 15,980 zone. Yes, the moving averages are also crossing over here. Definitely makes it a greater resistance. The only thing is that prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged and now it is breaking on the downside. Yes, it appears to be trading bearish. We can at least expect it to move towards the lows or towards the lower lows. Possibilities there. Remember, once it stays below 15,840, more bearishness will take it till towards 15,800 and then 750 levels. Stochastic retrace looking downside. MACD is divergent, bearish, looking downside here. RSI is also looking down, confirming a little bearishness. Coming to 4. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see lower lows are done, higher highs here. So we have to wait again or selling entries below 15,880 levels, also below which you have to be very, very cautious. As long as 15,840, 860 zone, 850 zone is respected, it can bounce back, it can reverse again any point of time. Now notice something here. See what is happening here. Higher lows and higher highs. Broadly it is trading in this channel. The highs for this channel are far above 16,200. Right now what is happening, two candles with a push from the upside suggest that the bearishness is there. Thus, we have to wait for it to drop further in order to confirm a selling entry. The stochastic has retraced here. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards, confirmation of bearishness. Coming to the daily. Now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, prices are divergent too much from the 20-period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 15,750. And this zone completely between 15,750 and 15,820 is a greater support zone. Yes, the median line is here at 15,820, which is definitely going to be a very, very good support. Now look at the preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to trade in this bearish zone. Below 850 is where further bearishness, and then we can look it forward for breach past 800 and 750 levels as well. So yes, below 15,880, we can expect more bearishness in Tech 100. What is happening so far is a wick is formed and it is getting a pull on the downside. Thus, we can see little more bearishness from the current levels. But remember, these are markets. Achieving the lows or higher lows here, it can reverse again any point of time. And once you see Tech 100 is staying beyond 15,980, 16,000 zone, you can buy here and expect it to trade with more bullish bias. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over here at the top. trying to trade with divergence, trying to trade bearish. It is opening its mouth, suggesting that more bearishness may prevail and a red candle can be seen today. RSI is looking. Remember, we have Powell's speech today that will definitely bring volatility. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where you can trade as per the signals you can benefit. And yes, we have another offering which is my weekly webinar series. Every Sunday I conduct a webinar where we discuss what to expect from markets in the coming week, and I also take your questions live. Also, there is a this is the details related to the mentorship batch. See, all of this you get here on this platform, forexfunda.com. This is the platform created by me, considering what the issues traders have in their daily life, what are the requirement for a trader. Now it has everything. Read the breaking news from across the globe. It is available. Also, you will find here the economic calendar with the data releases, the markets where you can find your favorite instrument or anything which is getting traded across the globe is available. You can do the charting, you can do the analysis with the help of tools and indicators. You can schedule a call with me as an expert. Yes, you can consult with me if you need any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your existing positions, or you want me to predict the future movement. You can consult with me. Also, community is available where you can discuss with the like-minded. Visit the platform, register for the mentorship batch, register for the webinar, and for signals channel, reach out to me here on Telegram. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start now with US30. Okay, I have to give you the trading levels here for Tech 100 first. See, I will recommend you to buy here at 15,880 levels. Looking at the volatility, 15,980 levels, 15,980 you can buy. But then as long as 16,040, 16,060 zone is not taken, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Remember, as long as 16,060 is not taken today, you should not treat Nasdaq 100 is bullish. It is only bullish if it stays above 16,060 levels, beyond which 16,100, 140 levels should be the next target, and then we will see 16,200. On the downside, I expect it to trade with a slight bearish bias. How far it can drop, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,880. Expect 15,840, 850 as the first target, 800 as 780 is the next, and then 750 as the third. 750 is the greater support, and it has a tendency that it can try to achieve the lows today. Possibility is there. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 first of all traded in this bullish channel on the hourly charts. It has breached this channel. It is looking forward to move towards 35,900, which is indeed a very, very good support. This is also the 20 period moving average. We have to wait a little for it to achieve these levels, and at those levels we'll decide which direction it wants to take. Yes, we have seen extreme bullish moves in US30 so far. Yesterday specifically was an extremely bullish move, and thus possibly it could try to erase some of the gains from yesterday. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. It has further more bearishness intact. It can continue to diverge more. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at the 2 hour charts here. Higher highs and this breakout. This is a bearish breakout. Once it stays below 35,940, we can expect further drop, and then I will look forward to 35,900, 910 as the first support. In fact, right now it is looking forward to move towards the 120 period moving average at 35,800. Very, very strong support exists here. See, it is trading with extreme divergence. Divergence calls for a convergence. Thus, it is looking downwards. The stochastic is falling. MACD was trading with extreme divergence. It is also willing to converge. Crossover. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 3. Now look at 3 hour charts breaking out here. First breakout candle. It has a tendency that it can try to move towards 35,900, and below 35,900 is where the bears will take over. I will look forward to a further drop from those levels. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking forward to converge. Candle size is diminishing. This could possibly call for a bearish move. RSI is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. Coming to 4 hour charts. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, reversal sign, first red candle, and this could be a bigger candle here. This could take it further down. Once it stays below 35,900, more bearishness is going to prevail, below which you can expect it to hit 35,800. In fact, 35,700 levels can be seen. Yes, see, bullishness getting diminished with each passing candle, and the rally started from here. It can erase the gains, all the gains towards these levels. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It can possibly converge a bit. RSI is looking down as well. It is strongly, extremely overbought. Coming to the daily. Now look on the daily charts, higher lows, higher highs trading in this channel. Where is the bottom of this channel? The bottom is far below at 35,500. Yes, there was a strong gain yesterday, and it can erase all the gains. It can continue to drop from here. We can expect it to move towards 35,800, 700 levels as well. But these are markets. Remember, neither yours nor mine. One breakout candle can lead to a second follow-up breakout candle. Be careful here. Yes, it can give another strong bullish move. Remember, nothing overbought, nothing oversold, nothing works when it goes for a rise or rally. Thus, we have already seen 36,040 levels. If you see it is staying beyond 36,050, initiate a buying position. Expect that we will look forward to 36,150, 200 zone as the first target, and then 240 as the next. Beyond this, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, support levels are far below at 35,500, but also one must note that too much of divergence of price from the moving calls for it to converge. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is also trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. Today, after the Powell's speech, possibly we may see it converging. We may see a drop from these levels. RSI is extremely overbought at price, or it can pull the prices little down. Thus, below 35,900, 880, you can initiate a selling position. Expect 35,800, 35,700 as the next target. Below 35,700, more bearishness may prevail. On the upside, only buying entries beyond 36,050. Beyond 36,050, we can expect more bullishness in the prices, and then we can look forward to 36,150, 200 levels at the first target, and then 36,250 also the next target here. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Do join my mentorship batch, webinar series, or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.